Hi, my name is Colby Sharp. I am a 5th grade teacher in Michigan. Welcome to my channel, which I help kids fall in love with reading. Today, we're going to be opening Kidlit book mail, books that were sent to me by authors, illustrators, publishers, friends. It's anybody who sent me books, basically. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I hope you'll consider subscribing. Like this video if you care about the reading lives of young kids. If you care about young readers, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't care about young readers, maybe this video will help change your mind. Let's see what we have. First off, Deer Run Home. Oh, that looks cool. It is a novel in verse. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting better at that. Like I see a cover, I read the title, and it just like this feels like a novel in verse. That's exciting. So a novel in verse. Okay, we got a little press release. We don't read press releases, but I appreciate people who write them because I'm sure some people do. Now I feel bad. I feel bad. Someone probably in New York City worked very hard on that press release. We're off topic. Deer Run Home. What does it say? It's about, let's see what it says. Probably says in the press release over there. Hold on. Do that every video. I have to turn off my hot water heater so that we have been in this video a minute and I have not talked about anything. Focus. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going to read this book because now I feel really bad. But it looks like it's a novel in verse, so that makes me really excited. Effie and her older sister, Deja, have recently moved into their father's trailer after an incident at their mom's home. Daddy communicates with Effie by pointing, stomping on the floor, and making thoughtless jokes. Even if they did understand each other, could she tell the terrible secret she carries when telling feels impossible and dangerous? Oh, Effie is deaf. I forgot to read that part. Holy smokes. I need to read this book. See if we can move things along a little bit faster now. Holy smokes, at this pace, this will be a 3-hour video. Oh, I wanted this book. So a publisher sent me an email about this book, and I responded, and I said, yes, I want to read Lucky Scramble. Look at that. It has got the Rubik's Cube. It's a graphic novel that I don't even think I'll have to say anything else. I think I'll show this book to kids. I'm going to be like, look, what do you notice? Rubik's Cube. What do you notice? Graphic novel. Who wants to read it? Hands shoot up all over the room. It'll take a Lucky Scramble and a few lightning speed solves to win the biggest speed cubing competition in the nation. 12-year-old Tyler Gooden's only goal is to make the speed cubing national championship in Las Vegas and finally silence his critics by coming home a winner. Yeah, reading that book sounds amazing. Off to a great start. Video, not so much. Books, so much. These are final copies of Emma, the Kids in Mrs. Z's class. So I read this one. It comes out at the end of April. It's phenomenal. It's by Kate Messner. It's an 18-book series about all of these kids in the classroom. And these books are written by 17 different creators. Okay, so 17 different creators, 18 books. Kate Messner is writing the first book, Emma's book, and the last book. The second book is by Rajana LaRocca. She's writing the second book. So each book takes like 2 or 3 weeks during a school year. The 18-book series encompasses the entire school year. How exciting is that? 18 different creators. Let's see if it has the list of the creators. I don't think it does. But so you can see like the kids. Oh, it's a chapter book series too. I should tell you that. So 18 or so different creators, probably says in this press release, because I read press releases. Let's see. Yeah, you have like Meg Medina, Kyle Lukoff, Tracy Baptiste, Laurel Snyder, Corinna Jan Gleiser, Will Alexander, Elliot Schreifer, Kelka Magoon. Let's go. For me, reading. So yeah, so check out Alma McKenna and always read the press release. That could be my theme. Always read the press release. Water, discovering the precious resource all around us. It's translated. I love these books by Eerdmans. I talk about them every time in all these videos because they. Oh, look at the end papers. Oh, seriously, Earth Day is coming, friends. What is this? This book looks so cool. So. I love it. So I love the structure. So we have like a question, answer, question, answer. Let's go. That looks awesome. I'm looking forward to maybe reading this and then sharing that structure with my 5th grade writers and their pursuit to make nonfiction better at writing. Because, nonfiction writing when you're a kid is not always the easiest. All right, I've been excited to read this book, but I haven't read it, so now I have this finished copy. I'm going to read it. My Mama is a work of art. It just looks cool. Oh, it looks so cool. I'm excited to read that book. Let's see what we have here. A whole bunch of picture books. Okay, these are very advanced picture books, like very advanced, meaning when they're printed before, they're called F and Gs, so they kind of fall apart. So you see, they just print the book, the pages, and then you have to be careful, otherwise it falls apart. So we have the Roco family here, Haley and John Roco. They also have another book this year about called Wild Places, a beautiful picture book biography. And this is all the books. So anytime there's a book about books, I'm all in. Excited for that. James Patterson, Fox is Coming, illustrated by Joe Kulka. Deborah Underwood, I love her work. And Leah Hong, A Mouse Family Christmas. A Christmas book already? Holy smokes. Stresses me out. It's still freezing here in April. Dance Fast, A.R. Cribbins. That looks cool. This year, I want to dance at the ceremony. That's what it says on the back. At our table, that looks cool. At our table, there is room to give to the earth, to our neighbors, and to our bellies. The Helping Sweater. Maya couldn't wait to help again. Oh, Maya, way to go. We're moving faster, friends. Kind of getting in a groove. Togo to the rescue, how a heroic husky saved the lives of children in Alaska. Togo story, you know Balto, but do you know Togo? Pretty important, Togo. So it's exciting to read this. Meet Togo, the heroic Siberian husky who traveled over 250 miles through a terrifying blizzard to help deliver life-saving medicine to children in need. It's fun when you have a story that you're kind of familiar with and you get to see it through the lens of new creators. So that's exciting. Winter Magic. Friends, it's April. But, there's advanced copies, so then I can read it, and then maybe if you want to buy it when it comes out, the day after Christmas. Up Periscope, how engineer Maya Montague revolutionized shipbuilding. That sounds so interesting. I'm going to read you the back. No one thought a woman could do it. No one thought a Black woman could do it. But Ray Montague became the first person to do it. Let's go! That sounds amazing. Can't wait to read it. Let's see what we have next. Alli Raisman, who is, she's an Olympic gold medalist. She was on that first Simone Biles Olympic medal team. She's the one who kind of spoke out against Larry Nassar and all those awful things that happened in that situation. She got a new book, From My Head to My Toes. We love gymnastics in my house. So very excited to check out Alli's new book. It's illustrated by B. Jackson. Okay, now we have the books. The books. They're all books. The boxes. The boxes. All right, let's see what we got in this box here. Some stuffing. It's a good box to put all these books in. Yes, let's go! One of my favorite creators. And if you were in my 5th grade class right now, you would hear him say, Mr. Sharp, you say that about every creator. I like my impression of 5th graders. It's pretty funny. They don't sound like that at all. But I do often say that. But, Lauren Castillo truly is one of my all-time favorite book creators. Just like Millie, and I just saw a post on social media. This book is, this dog Millie is kind of like modeled after her and her wife's dog Peanut, who passed away, I think around the early pandemic times. I'm so excited to read this. I'm not even going to open it and show you any pictures because I don't want to see inside. I want to just sit this book down and read it without knowing anything about what's inside. So I'm so excited for Lauren Castillo. New Caldecott honor-winning creator Lauren Castillo's Just Like Millie. I'm so excited. Oh, I've been seeing some things about this one. Outspoken Paul Robeson, ahead of his time, one-man show. This is must read read creator, Carol Boston Weatherford. We must read everything she makes. And Eric, Velasquez, he wrote octopus. He wrote an illustrated octopus stew, which I love, which was a Pure Bell Prey winner. I believe that was one. A lot of great books. So exciting. I know nothing about this book. Oh, so much greatness. Let's go. Let's do a little bit more. Maybe we'll make there's 3 boxes left. We're going to open this box, and then we'll save the next 2 boxes for the next week. So I need to get to reading, y'all. You've seen your books in this pack. Very loud. Can't forget to turn the hot water heater back on when I stop this video, or else no one gets a hot shower. Oh. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is our weekly box from Harper Collins. And a lot of times when I see these red lines, those will mean those were their new releases that week or right around that week. So it's very exciting. Okay, let's see what we have here. The City Sings Green and Other Poems About Becoming Wildlife, which is perfect. Poetry Month, Earth Day this month. We might have a winner. Beautiful art. Can't wait to read the poem. So we have a poem, but we also have some more text here where we can learn stuff, which is cool. Some poetry here, poetry, and some informational text there. That's really exciting. I love that. Darker by 4. Sounds a little terrifying. When two worlds collide and all heck breaks loose. It doesn't say heck. One in these videos, I said the word S-H-I-P, like a boat, a ship. And someone thought I said another word. And it even got back to my principal that I said the word that is not a boat. And if you rewatch the video, it definitely sounds like either word. But in context, it's obvious that I said boat based on what I was talking about. So we're definitely kid-friendly in these videos. But we don't make them for kids. We make them for educators. And sometimes we show them to kids. Hi, kids. All right. A Crown of Stories, the life and language of the beloved writer, Toni Morrison. You're going to want to read this. And look, remember Carol Boston Weatherford. Khalif Tahir Thompson did the art. And this is when you just see what we're going to get inside. Dang. Wow. I hope you found something awesome to add your to-read list in this video. I have some reading to do. I got to read that graphic novel about Rubik's Cubes. I got to read Lauren Castillo's new book. I got 2 Carol Boston Weatherford new books to read. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome, fantastic day.